The Athena framework for Alt-V was written with one goal in mind. That goal was to make it easy for any developer to quickly spin up a roleplay server and use an intuitive and simple API to expand upon it. The framework was created with the purpose of providing tools for other server developers to quickly build a roleplay script without getting stun-locked into writing smaller features such as blips, markers, object streaming, etc. A majority of the heavy lifting is done for you by providing robust APIs to tap into existing systems. The entire framework is written in TypeScript and the front end uses Vue. While being written, a rule for feature requests was put into place to prevent scope creep. If a user is asking for a specific feature, such as a police department script, how can we get that developer 90% of the way there without actually writing the feature for them? Athena is written in a way for the server developer to write the remaining 10% for their server-specific needs. Simply put, why write one specific feature when you can write a system that handles all iterations of that feature? Which brings us to the plugin system that comes with Athena. Athena has its very own plugin system that will allow users to simply drag and drop a folder into the plugins folder to load the plugin. No additional configuration is necessary to load that plugin. It just works out of the box in most cases. While most users are used to SQL-based databases, we went with a NoSQL solution. We went with MongoDB. Mongo, simply put, doesn't require any form of data schema to store data in the database. Users spend less time in their tables managing data and spend more time writing code and writing new features. Athena even provides its own very simple API that wraps around Mongo to make reading and writing from a database intuitive and easy. Updates to the Athena framework are done through merge conflicts. That means that as a developer, you get to pull individual changes through Git and handle merge conflicts. Instead of copy and pasting individual lines of code, you get a nice interface to determine what code changes you want to take from the main repository. This makes updating to the latest version of Athena fast and simple. The framework has a staggering 490 files and are still actively being maintained on a weekly basis. The community built around Athena wants to help you maintain your game mode. So, instead of writing that roleplay game mode from scratch and reinventing the wheel for the 1000th time, why not just come try the Athena framework? And if I already haven't mentioned it, it's free.